It's me, Invisible Hero, and today we are riding girls on a sport bike. So, here's the first girl I met just riding around town.
Hi girls, can you come? I'm a taxi driver, do you want ride?
Not really.
A little bit, that's for free.
No,
You don't have time or what?
we don't have time.
It's like 5 minutes, we can come here one circle and I will bring you back. You see, I have helmet for you.
I'm kind of scared.
Don't worry, I'm a very careful driver. That will be great experience for you. I promise. Let's go. It will be like 5 minutes, not more.
I mean, we can try.
Yeah, let's go. All right, you feel comfortable? Yes, sure, yeah. It was so scared?
Maybe a bit.
A little bit, yeah?
Not that much. Thank you. It was nice.
You liked, yeah?
Yeah. By any chance, do you have TikTok?
Yes.
I have saw you before.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's cool, oh my god. You will be in TikTok right now. Cool. See you next time.
The next girl texted me on Instagram and asked for a ride and to take her downtown.
Hi there, how are you? You good? Yes, I'm fine. I'm a taxi driver. Do you want to ride?
Sure.
All right. Do you have time? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool. Let's go.
Right.
Have a good time. Bye.
Right safe.
Yeah, sure.
This time, unfortunately, I didn't record the beginning, but this girl is Elizabeth, who had already been in my video. I met her by chance near my favorite place at the Opera House, and I offered to take her home. At late night, on my way home, I met some girls who were waiting for a hitchhiker.
Nav bailīgi.
Nē, mums pati gribu moci.
Ja.
Riga apmēram kroči līdz staķikam, līdz cirkulim, kas ir pirms veifa dara.
Okay, let's go.
Nav pirmais rodeo, nav.
Let's go.
Klausies uz šoseis, tā varētu izšķies skots jūrmā. Jau tik forši īstenībā. Paldies, Džek. Jūs tiešām uzbojāt man dienu. Tiešām paldies. Rekurus tavai GoPro pamāt.
Давай, čau.
Do not miss other rides, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments if you would like to be so spontaneously taken for a ride on a motorcycle.